If you're a brand new user and you would like to now redeem an access code, you can click on Access Codes in the leftmost menu. On the Access Codes page, you must enter the access codes provided to you by your learning partner or by XtremeLabs if you've made a direct purchase. The first step to accessing your labs is to redeem it. In order to redeem it, go ahead and navigate to the Add Code option. There will be a field in the top right part of your screen. Copy and paste or type in the code that was provided to you and click on Add Code. Your access will be added immediately. Once you've redeemed that code, you'll be able to see the course and lab pop up when you click on View Labs on the left part of the screen. As soon as that course and lab shows up in the second blue column, you will have immediate access.